Well, here we are at Sound of the City 2025. We have a group of worship pastors and creatives from all over the city of Chattanooga that have come to write songs together, spend time with Jesus, and see what happens. We're trying to figure out the sound, what it sounds like for the Church of Chattanooga across denominational lines to get together and to make music. What is the sound of the Church of Chattanooga?
There's something so special about retreating and going away to be with the Lord. I mean, Jesus did that himself, and it almost like physically removes distractions and allows you to just really tune in, I think, even more to what he is singing over us, and being able to reflect that into songs is just a beautiful thing.
I think gatherings like this are central to the message of the gospel. We weren't called to walk the walk alone. Jesus said, "Father, may they be one as you and I are one." And he said that by this, the world will know that I was sent by you. And I think gatherings like this are a glimpse of that unity. There's just something beautiful about the body coming together.
You are there, even when the fire is burning and the water is red. You are there, you are there.